This weather report brought to you by SportsBet. Bet with mates.
Hello again. After our stretch of cold and wet weather, it certainly is nice to experience warmth and sunshine once again. It was 19 degrees by lunchtime. It rose up to 24.5 in the late afternoon. High pressure moving to our east is the catalyst for our warmer conditions. But the break is short-lived. Low pressure is approaching and we'll actually have 3 cold fronts over the next 3 days. So today's pleasant weather doesn't last. By Monday, we are plunged back into cold air that has come up from Antarctica. Tomorrow into Sunday morning, we have bands of rain with embedded thunderstorms spreading from west through to east. In Melbourne, there is the slight risk of storms tomorrow afternoon, then the risk of heavy thunderstorms on Saturday night into Sunday morning. There is an easing during the day on Sunday. Then the next burst arrives and this one is chilly. Showers keep coming through Monday and they are cold enough for snow on the ranges once again and wintry hail for the rest. This next period of wet weather has put all of these catchments on flood watch with renewed minor to moderate river flooding from Sunday onwards. So around the nation tomorrow, it's pleasant in Brisbane and Sydney. Showers and thunderstorms are likely in Adelaide. There's the odd shower in Perth as it thaws out. To Victoria, mild to warm ahead of areas of rain spreading through the west. They'll reach central parts and then into the east late in the day. In the afternoon and evening, there is thunderstorms in that activity, and that activity is possibly severe. We also have strong northerly winds. So these yellow parts over southern Victoria near the ranges, they are at risk of gusts strong enough to do damage in the afternoon and evening tomorrow. We all have strong to gale force northerly winds, but all of these suburbs here have the risk of damaging gusts in the afternoon and evening. It is a dry morning tomorrow. The afternoon brings the risk of a bit of rain with a local thunderstorm. That part is not heavy. And in the early evening into early Sunday, we are all at risk of heavy thunderstorms. Now, not everyone will see one of these, but if you are directly underneath, it can bring 30 to 40 millimetres in a short time. Now, this is what to expect in inner Melbourne. The morning is dry. The afternoon has just a slight risk of a storm. Then sunshine actually returns late afternoon and it's warm once again. But then at night, we have the high risk of thunderstorms with heavy rain. But that's after dry conditions for much of the day tomorrow. We have a peak of 25. To the 8-day outlook, there's only the odd shower during the day on Sunday. Expect long dry breaks then. Then on Sunday night and on Monday, that is our next burst of wintry weather. I'm expecting just 14 on Monday, some wintry hail in all of those showers coming through. Slowly recovering on Tuesday into Wednesday, then warmer conditions are straight back at the end of next week. I'm expecting 28 by next Friday, ahead of the change due on Saturday. So is the risk of an afternoon storm, a stronger risk of a heavier storm at night tomorrow. But in amongst that, it's a warm 25, Mitch.
And a 14 and a 28 on
Yeah,
the
we've got all of them.
Keeping us on our toes. Thank you, Jane. And that's the way it is this Friday, the 18th of November. Thanks for your company. For now, from the 7 News team, good night.